Welcome to Learn with Mr. Abdul. We have a question. Simplify 54k squared minus 6 over 3k plus 1. First thing first, let's analyze this. This is an algebraic expression and this is not an equation. Since it is not an equation and we are asked to simplify, it simply means we should break down this fraction into the simplest form. Now, looking at the denominator, we have 3k plus 1. It is already in its simplest form. We can't simplify it. Now, looking at the numerator, we have 54k squared minus 6. Now, from 54 and 6, we have a common factor. And what's the common factor? The common factor is 6. So let's simplify 54k squared minus 6 by factorizing it using 6. So using 6 to simplify 54k squared minus 6, we'll have 6 open bracket, 54 divided by 6, that is 9, k squared, then minus 6 divided by 6, that is 1, close bracket, over 3k plus 1. Now from here, we have 9k squared minus 1, we have 3k plus 1. Analyzing the bracket and the denominator, you observe that 3 is a factor of 9 and 1 is also a factor of 1. So what do we do? Now, we can rewrite 9 as 3 square and 1 as 1 square so that we can use what we call difference of squares to factorize it. Now, writing 9 as 3 square, we'll have 6 open bracket, 3 square, k square, then minus 1 square, because minus 1 square is the same thing as 1, which is 1 square is the same thing as 1, over 3k plus 1. Recall that whenever we have our first term to be square of a number and second term to be the square of a number, it simply means we can use what we call the difference of squares. And what does the difference of squares say? The difference of squares says if we have a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. Now, utilizing it here, we still have 6, open bracket. Since it is 3 square, k square, we'll just pick out the 3 and the k, then minus 1, then also 3k plus 1 all over 3k plus 1. So look at the numerator and the denominator. We have common terms, or we have numbers that we can divide. At the numerator, we have 6 times 3k minus 1 times 3k plus 1 over 3k plus 1, which means 3k plus 1 from the denominator can cancel 3k plus 1 from the numerator. Then we'll be left with 6 open bracket 3k minus 1 over 1 divided by 1, that's 1, which gives our final answer to be 6 open bracket 3k minus 1, which is option C from the question.